we have Siddaramaiah also joining us from Channapatna. Siddaramaiah, you share the name with the Chief Minister of Karnataka. What are your thoughts on what's happening in the state of Karnataka and the fuel prices?
This is highly corrupted girl having a multi-crore scam is there, and to give guarantee they are raising all sets of price. Common man problem has become very difficult. And these prices of commodities already increased. Since the petrol and diesel is increased, a lot of inconvenience to the common people.
Okay, so the common man is suffering, and you're saying that this is a corrupt government that is bringing in trouble for the common man. Thank you for joining us with your thoughts. We have Venkat also joining us from Bengaluru. Mr. Venkat, what do you think?
Good morning, all.
Yes.
I just want to keep... Hello?
Yes,
are you
good
able to hear
morning.
me?
Go on. Yes, we can.
Okay, I just want to tell you two important things. One, Congress as a party is known for corruption. Number two, they are in power only because of the middle class people who did not go to the polling booth to vote. This is my very, very sincere thing. Through you and through your program, I want to see that in future, every middle class person goes and votes. To whoever they want to vote, let them vote.
Okay, all right. So you're saying that the middle class is going to answer with their votes. Thank you for joining us, Venkat. And of course, that's going to be the reaction of the common man. A lot of anger, people calling in from across Karnataka, from Channapatna, from Bengaluru, saying that this is very unfair, and it's the people of Karnataka who are suffering because of the guarantees that are being promised by the Karnataka government. The Congress party came to power in Karnataka after promising several guarantees. In fact, that model was also used in Telangana as well as in the Lok Sabha elections this time around as well. But the prices have increased. We just also played out the details of the increase in the taxes in Karnataka ever since the Congress government has come to power, including the property tax that has been increased. So the common man suffering because of the guarantees, that seems to be the overwhelming sense over the same. We have Commodore Mani joining us from Chandigarh. Thank you for joining us. What do you think of the situation in Karnataka and what the people have been complaining about? The increased prices, the increased taxes in several places that we're seeing, including property tax and now fuel as well.
Ma'am, this is just the beginning. You know, these people, they don't understand the common man's plight. They've increased the fuel prices to fill up their pockets. You know, this is the most ridiculous thing. I wish they had not promised these freebies, and they're trying to make up for the losses. Congress has promised 8,500 to every woman, and where are they going to meet it from? From you and me. First of all, the ministers and chief ministers and MLAs and MPs, they should give up their free petrol, give up their free telephone, give up the freebies that they get for themselves. Only then they can survive and they look after the common man.
Okay.
This is the only way they ought to do it. And I think it should be taken up in the parliament that they should not get their pension till they've served the full term, right? And they should not increase their pension and telephone, PAs, and free travel by air, free travel by train. All these should be cut down and they should behave like normal people of this country. That is the only way they will learn a lesson and not promise freebies at the cost of the common man.
Okay, so the common man should not be paying the price for this. That's what you're saying. Thank you so much for joining us. We have PV Ramesh joining us from Kochi. So Ramesh, do you agree with the viewpoint that many of our viewers are calling with?
Good morning. I very much agree. And these politicians, what they do, first they try to lure you with so much of, free buses, free electricity, free everything. There is no free meal in this world. The basic thing is there is no free meal in this world. If the chief minister or somebody in the parties, they are giving from their pockets all this money, first of all, this has to be stopped. Whether it is central, whether it is state, these freebies have to be stopped. Everybody needs to earn money. Then only they know the value of the money. And then now you see that they are increasing the prices here. It is like, just first you come and kiss a man. After that you slap on his face. What is this happening here? that first you hug and then you give a slap to him saying that, oh, I have given freebies. Why should they give freebies? Did public ask you to give freebies? They are giving freebies for votes, not for the love of the people.
Okay,
That
and
one
you're taking
politician-
from the taxpayers and then returning some, and then that's where all the confusion comes in, and that's the reason why the taxpayers have to pay more. Thank you so much for joining us with your thoughts. We have Devraj joining us from Bengaluru. Devraj, thank you for joining us. What do you think?
Yeah, good morning. I am Devraj here from Bangalore. I feel that the Congress is looting the Karnataka, the total money of the people here. And I would like to say that the Karnataka is totally becoming a disaster for the people. And especially the middle class and who is the taxpayers for here. And also in Karnataka, as a namesake of this one, the guarantee and all, what we call it as a free guarantee, and nothing is development is going on in Karnataka craft.
Okay, all right. So common people are paying more. The development has also taken a backseat, and all of this because of the freebie model of Karnataka. A lot of anger that we're sensing. Chandan is also joining us, another viewer joining us from Bengaluru. Chandan, thank you for joining us. What do you think are the common people of Karnataka paying for the freebies that have been announced by the government?
Hi, good morning. I'm speaking from Bangalore, Bannerghatta Road. Yes, definitely. The Congress government is looting us again. I'm a IT engineer. I pay my tax. I do all my due diligence towards the government. Now the fuel price have hit my pockets again. There will be a repercussions of this fuel price because the vendors who are delivering food to us, the milkmen, everybody is going to increase their prices, and it is going to impact my pocket as well. I've got 2 kids. How am I going to support? How is this government helping the common man? It is burdening us. It is giving us so much of trouble. I'm not sure if this government should continue on these freebies. And I think if they are doing it, they should do it from their own pocket. Then they will understand what is the importance of their, hard-earned money. This is what I would like to say. And this Congress government is, yes, again.
Okay, we can understand your anger as a taxpayer. You're saying that you are being burdened further because of the freebies being promised by the government. We have Lalit joining us from Jaipur. Mr. Lalit, there's a lot of anger from people in Karnataka, obviously, because of the high taxes, because of the high prices and inflation. But the Congress party has justified it, saying this is just welfare. What do you think?
Saying, the public should do what? Go the Japanese way. Okay. The Japanese, what they do is that when they raise the prices of the items, and they boycott the item. Let the people of Karnataka boycott this for about 15 to 30 days. And take 10 days leave and sit at home and enjoy with your family and see what happens to these people who are sitting in the chair. They'll come to their senses within no time. That's all I can say.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with your thoughts. So a lot of viewers calling us, our sincere apologies if we could not speak to some of you, but this remains the top focus here on Times Now. On one hand, the Congress targeting the central government, the BJP saying there's a lot of mehengai. On the other hand, you have the Congress government in Karnataka bringing in 3 rupees increase in the fuel prices. Quick break now. We'll be right back.